guys, this is Shae with Chalkn with Shae. Just kind of I'm just getting things set up here. Okay, I'm just going to share this to my business page and then we'll go ahead and get started. Here we go. Almost ready. Okay, here we go. Hey, Rhonda. Hi, Susan. Hi, Jonathan. Okay, so 5-minute Sundays. We've got a very quick project. Hi, Nicole. This is going to be, and I'm sorry, guys, it's probably backwards. You can't see it because Facebook has changed things once again, and I can't now flip it around for you to be able to read the stuff that I am doing. But this says, together they built a life they loved. So this is a really great one for wedding season, which is what this is right now. Let me go ahead and, so we're going to be using this 12 by 18 Sylvie. No, wait, excuse me. This is not a Sylvie. This is, hey, Karen. Hi, Stacy. This is a Greyson board. Now, I think that we still have these. These are going to be on low supply. They are our least expensive, larger board like this. So if any of you guys want this, you probably want to get onto my website and buy it right away. So what I'm going to do is, this design here, I'm pretty sure we still have. It's a really great menu planner. And so you have all this stuff here, and then you can use our chalk markers to write what you're going to have for meals that week. So this just doesn't work for me with my family because my kids are older, and so they can drive and they just want their own thing. And so I don't really, we have a lot of family meals together, but there's a lot of meals that we don't eat together. So I can't plan anything. It's too difficult. Plus, when we're not in this pandemic, usually they're not even around anyways. Hi, Jenna. Okay, so I'm going to use our paste scraper. This is probably going to be more than 5 minutes. I'm going to use the paste scraper to erase all of this. This paste scraper is amazing. Okay, it looks like it's not erasing this, the chalk markers all that great, which is good to know. I didn't realize that. And that's fine because I will get it with my board eraser. So now we're just going to grab up all the excess chalk here with a paper towel. Oh, and look, it's already come off just like that. Okay, so that's most of the little shavings. So now what I'm going to do is grab our board eraser. Hi, Debbie. Hi, Janie. And I'm just going to now use the board eraser to get rid of all that ghosting. So this is what we used to have to use before we had that paste scraper, and it was hard because you really had to scrub to get that chalk off. But now the board eraser makes, or the paste scraper makes it so much easier. Got a little bit in the corners here. All right, we're just about done with that part. So now I'm going to grab my fuzz cloths. And we are ready to go. Just trying to get rid of the ghosting. There's still, I can see the fork over here, salt and pepper. Just gonna get it one more time. This design was on here quite a long time. I just love that our stuff is so erasable. This is a heat gun. So I'm just going to dry this off. And now that it's drying, it looks like that ghosting has left, so that's good to know. Okay. So now we're ready for our transfer. Hi, Stephanie. Okay, so this is a C-sized transfer, and the C-size transfer fits a 12 by 18 size frame just perfectly. So I'm going to lay out my fuzz cloth here. And to make it easy to get this transfer off, you want to grab a little bit of the edge and then pull the backing off of the transfer, rather than taking the transfer off the backing. Hi, Susie. Hey, everybody. Welcome Susie to Couture. She just joined this weekend. I'm so excited to have her on my team. We're going to do that again. So this fuzzing, the reason we do that is because we don't want it to be, we want to take off just a little bit of that stickiness, because if we don't, it will do what this just did and stick, and we want to be able to get it off of the surface after we're done chalking. So that is why we fuzz. Okay, I'm going to do this just one more time. Okay, so now we're going to put this right smack in the middle. All right, that was perfect. Together they built a life they loved. It's a great anniversary one too. Oh, I forgot to grab chalk. I'll be right back. Okay, whoa. All right, this is gonna be a very easy design, guys. So I'm just going to stir up the chalk. It's been a really busy week, guys. That is why I have not been on as much as I usually am. I got a lot of customer orders this week, so I've been working on those. And that's kind of taken away from my live time, which I like. Okay, so with this, we're going to use the handled squeegee. The handled squeegee makes it so easy. So we're just going to use our stir stick to put chalk around the board. And then we just squeegee it up. Now I'm going to grab off the excess. You want to make sure all of the spots have been filled in my bucket of water. And then I'm going to show you guys something fun. So you don't want to waste any of the chalk, so you want to make sure you get it off of your squeegee. And then wipe off the edges with your stir stick, just like so, as best as you can. And then put the lid back on. And actually, I'm going to put a little bit of distilled water in here, just so that that can sit on top until the next time we use it. Okay, so we have a beautiful design, but first, I want to make sure before I make any messes that I dry this real good. That was hot. Okay, so now something that you can do, since this is kind of, I mean, this is beautiful as is, it really is, but what you can do to decorate this up is you can add lots of bows, ribbons, twine, things like that, just to give it a little bit more, you know, beauty. So what I have here, these are called Sola wood flowers, and they're really, really pretty. I don't know if you guys can see that. They're actually made out of wood. It's a company called Sola Wood Flowers. So what I'm going to do, and I'm actually not going to do this today because I don't want, this is a design that I'm going to reuse. Hi, Cassie. I'm going to reuse this, and so I don't want to glue these flowers to the design, but I just wanted to show you what you can do. So I have these beautiful flowers here, and all I have to do is take my hot glue gun and glue them down. So if you had any other kind of frame you can use this with, but I'm just not going to use it on this one. I just wanted to show you. So you guys can see how pretty that is. I know it's backwards. I'm sorry, guys. I can't, that's a Facebook issue, not a Sharon issue. So look how pretty that is now. And then I could add a couple of them down here too. So that's how you decorate up a board. All right, guys, so it's a brand new month with Chalk Couture and everywhere, of course, but we have brand new specials going on for the month of May. Club Couture gets, if you're a Club Couture member, you get 50% off of all of our last chance items. And let's see, that's all I can think of right now. I can tell you that my team is really starting to boom. Things are getting kind of crazy. It's really getting popular here at Chalk Couture. So if any of you guys have been thinking about joining, now is a really good time. And if you are interested, just pop a comment down below that says join, and then I will add you to my information group. So it's just a place where you can sit and look at more information about Chalk Couture. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.